Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Chapter 10 Light Mirrors and Lenses. The TMCQs. Question number 1. Which mirror can form both real and virtual images? A. Plane mirror. B. Convex mirror. C. Concave mirror. D. None. Answer C. Concave mirror. Question number 2. The image formed by a plane mirror is option A. Real inverted. Option B. Virtual erect. Option C. Virtual inverted. Option D. Real erect. Answer is B. Virtual erect. Question number 3. Convex mirrors are used as rear view mirrors because option A. They form real images. Option B. They form enlarged images. Option C. They form diminished virtual images. Option D. They converge rays. Answer C. They form diminished virtual images. Question number 4. The focal length of a concave mirror is option A positive, option B negative, option C 0, option D infinity. Answer is option A positive. Question number 5. A concave lens always forms option A real inverted image, option B virtual erect diminished image, option C real erect image, option D enlarged image. Answer option B virtual erect diminished image. Question number 6. The principal focus of a convex lens is option A virtual, option B real, option C negative, option D infinite. Answer real. Question number 7. A concave mirror is used in option A solar furnace, option B rear view mirror, option C magnifying glass, option D camera lens. Answer option A solar furnace. Question number 8. When an object is placed at the center of curvature of a concave mirror, option A real is image is real, same size, inverted. Option B image is virtual. Option C image is magnified. Option D image disappears. Answer option A image is real, same size, inverted. Question number 9. Convex lenses converge. Option A all parallel rays to a point. Option B all diverging rays. Option C all rays away from focus. Option D none of the above. Answer option A all parallel rays to a point. Question number 10. Concave mirror can produce option A only virtual images, option B only real images, option C real and virtual images, option D none. Answer option C real and virtual images. Question number 11. A convex lens used as a magnifying glass forms option A real inverted image, option B virtual erect magnified image, option C virtual diminished image, option D real magnified image. Answer option D virtual erect magnified image. Question number 12. The image of the sun formed by a concave mirror is option A diminished real, option B virtual erect, option C enlarged virtual, option D none of these. Answer option A diminished real. Question number 13. Convex mirrors always produce option A real inverted image, option B virtual erect diminished image, option C virtual inverted image, option D real erect image. Answer option B virtual erect diminished image. Question number 14. When an object is at infinity from a concave lens, option A image at infinity, option B image at focus real inverted, option C image at focus virtual erect, option D image disappears. Answer option C image at focus virtual erect. Question number 15. Which of these is true for plane mirrors? Option A. Focal length is 0. Option B. Focal length is infinite. Option C. Image is real. Option D. Image is diminished. Answer. Option B. Focal length is infinite. Question number 16. The length used in eyeglasses for myopia is option A convex, option B concave, option C plane, option D none. Answer option B concave. Question number 17. The distance of object from the mirror where the image size equal object size is option A focal length, option B center of curvature, option C beyond 2f, option D at infinity. Answer option B center of curvature. Question number 18. Concave lenses are used in option A telescope, option B magnifying glass, option C spectacles for myopia, option D solar furnace. Answer option C spectacles of myopia. Question number 19. Image formed by convex lens on a screen is option A virtual, option B real can be projected, option C erect, option D diminished always. Answer option B real can be projected. Question number 20. Concave mirrors are used in option A rear view mirror, option B headlight, option C microscope eyepiece, option D camera lens. Answer option B headlights. Question number 21. Light travels in a option A curved path, option B straight line, option C zigzag path, option D circular path. Answer option B straight line. Question number 22. Which of the following is a luminous object? Option A mirror, option B moon, option C book, option D sun. Answer option D sun. Question number 23. A mirror changes the direction of light by option A refraction, option B reflection, option C absorption, option D scattering. Answer option B reflection. Question number 24. The dark region formed behind on a work object is called A image, option B reflection, option C shadow, option D mirage. Answer option C shadow. Question number 25. Transparent objects. Option A pass no light, option B pass some light, option C pass all the light, option D block light completely. Answer option C pass all the light. Question number 26. The bouncing back of light is known as option A refraction, option B reflection, option C absorption, option D dispersion. Answer option B reflection. Question number 27. The light ray that falls on a surface is called option A reflector ray, option B sun ray, option C UV ray, option D incident ray. Answer option B sun ray. Question number 28. Shadows are only formed by option A translucent object, option B glass, option C opaque object, option D transparent object. Answer option C opaque object. Question number 29. A dash surface reflect light well. Option A, smooth surface. Option B, rough surface. Option C, irregular surface. Option D, transparent surface. Answer option A, smooth surface. Question number 30. The sun is the ultimate source of A, mirror. Option B, lens. Option C, energy. Option D, star. Answer option C, energy. Thank you all.